Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. Adobe InDesign is a robust design and layout software used for creating a wide range of print and digital materials, from brochures and magazines to ebooks and interactive PDFs. First, scroll down to this video's description and click the official Adobe InDesign free trial link, which will take you directly to Adobe's official site, safe and secure. Once there, click Start Free Trial, then select the individual plan. This gives you 7 full days of free access to Adobe InDesign, with all its features unlocked and no limitations. You'll also see an option to try Adobe Stock. If you check that, you'll receive 10 premium assets free, including templates, photos, and more. These assets can enhance your design projects, and yes, you get to keep those assets even if you cancel before the trial ends. Now sign in with your Adobe ID or create one if you don't have one yet. It only takes a minute. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the 7 days are up. To cancel, simply go to your Adobe account settings and follow the prompts. I recommend setting a quick reminder so you don't forget. After signing in, it's time to download the Creative Cloud Desktop app. Once installed, open it, find Adobe InDesign, click Install, and let it run. The process is quick and simple, so you'll be up and running in no time. That's it. You now have Adobe InDesign fully installed and ready to use free for 7 days. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore layouts, digital publishing, and professional print design without any cost. Click the link in the description to start your trial now and follow the steps. If you want more free guides like this and bonus resources, tools, and tech tips, subscribe to our newsletter at 90sectech.com. We'll send you quick, helpful updates straight to your inbox. No spam, just real value. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with InDesign.